Hi everyone, we're going to introduce you to our newest line of ultrasonic, the D-100 digital ultrasonic. It's basically made for a small shop, kiosk, or even for personal home. It's very powerful, uses the same technology as our commercial unit. So let's open the box up and see the difference between a analog and a digital. It's a 1-quart unit, measures, here's our panels, 6 inches by 5 inches and about 2.5 inch deep. I'm going to fill up our 2-quart unit. Just gonna add a little bit of BCR to agitate the water. There we go. I'm gonna top it off halfway to the top. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the 3 functions. So this is power on and off, heater on and off, and 3 sets of timer. 3 timers have interval timing. So we have a short duration, medium, and a longer duration. Alright, so let's turn on the power here. It's a delayed set power on, so you're gonna hold it down. There we go. And you can see how powerful the actual unit is. So I'm gonna clean a glasses here. You can see all the fingerprints. Take about 10-15 seconds, and this is not only good for cleaning out all the germs, grease, oil, fingerprints, and it's a great sanitizer. And that should be good enough. Take it off. Look how shiny that baby turns out. Boom. Now I'm going to put a little pendant here. Okay, it's got some polish and rouge on it. See the agitation, all the dirt coming off? We'll come back to it in a few minutes. So the Sonic is done. So basically, digital timer, heater stays on for 2 hours until it's turned off, and the timer itself is 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. All right, let's see how the piece came out. All right, nicely done.